Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to save your time and money on the battery replacement and realistically cut the cost of half compared to what the dealer would charge you. I tried to Google it and honestly I was shocked. Dealer quotes are easily double what this job should actually cost. But I went to the local marketplace and found the original battery for a much more reasonable price and including shipping. But just to purchase the battery it's not enough. On MINI and BMW you have to register it in the system, otherwise the charging won't work properly. So I ordered a diagnostic scanner from AliExpress. So battery arrives after a few days. Well packaged, original part numbers, BMW Japan labels. Everything looks just great. You should remove the air filter housing. The battery sits behind it. Use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect it from the intake hoses. Remove carefully all the wires. Then remove trims, seals and plastic covers.
I'm also removed the upper strut brace. It's not necessary, but it makes process much easier. I'm also recommending to connect the backup battery before removing the old one.
Positive and negative terminals shouldn't be loose, but don't ever tight it. Once new battery is in, don't forget the small breather hose. It's very important. Now we're going to register our battery. We need our OBD adapter with the Beamer Link application available on Android and iPhone. So this app requires one-time payment to unlock full functionality. The registration is only $36 and it's only one-time payment, not a subscription. If you install a different type of battery, you must specify that in the app. In my case, I used exactly the same battery with the same part number. So I simply registered it as a replacement. Now our car knows when the battery was replaced, which mileage, which battery. The final step, we're going to run the engine, and we can see it's no fault codes, no errors, nothing. So everything is okay. So let's finalize this project. The battery cost was $180. The OBD adapter I got for a 45, and the Beamer link activation it's another 36. Altogether it came to $60. In the end I saved more than 60% compared to the dealer pricing. And on the top of that, now I have my own diagnostic equipment and software activation that I can keep using in the future. I also saved my time by not having to leave the car at the dealership or wait around there. And honestly, as you can see, this whole process is not that difficult. With the basic tools and a little patience, almost anyone can do this at home without major problems. From start to finish, the job took me about 2 hours, working calmly and without rushing. That's it. Hopefully this video helps somebody save money and makes the whole process feel a lot less complicated. Thanks guys. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!